123Scan 2 is a free and easy to use
Windows-based configuration utility for Zebra scanners.
From the Start screen, you have access to all the utility's functionality, from the product overview to the quick startup instructions and recently created configuration files. You can also create a new configuration file, clone the settings from a golden scanner, or upgrade your scanner's firmware. To create a configuration file, simply click on this sequence of buttons. Our patented wizard allows you to fully configure your scanner, from naming your configuration file, enabling and disabling symbologies, selecting your cable options, applying data formatting rules, even controlling the beeper volume. When you're done creating your configuration file, you have the option to save the settings to your computer, load the settings electronically, or create a programming barcode. And for power users, you can update multiple scanners simultaneously from the Discovered Scanners tab. And using the data view, you have the option to look at an image captured from your imaging scanner. This screen also allows you to view scanned barcode data, as well as print a validation report. And this concludes our 123Scan 2 product overview.